Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you quickly and easily how you can post or upload a reel on Facebook. So let's jump straight in. As you can see, I'm on my Facebook homepage on my device, and you can actually go up to the top right hand side if you can switch devices. If you're using a page or if you're using your personal profile, it really is no different. So you're going to go ahead, you're going to go and choose the appropriate profile that you are going to use. And at the top there's a toolbar, and you can see that there's a little icon that looks like a person inside of a circle. It's a profile picture. You're going to go in there. Now if you scroll a little bit down, you can see that this is where you manage everything about your profile. You can see that it says reel over here. We're going to tap on reel. Now basically from here you can see that it's opened my gallery, and over here you can actually go ahead and tap on select multiple, and this will allow you to of course select multiple images or videos if it is within your gallery. Now if you want to change the order, you can just go ahead and do that. You can see now that this one over here has actually become number 2 and so forth. So you can do this, and this is one way to upload a reel. Then if you want to just select one, you can go ahead and literally just select one image, video, whatever it is from your gallery. There's a icon on the left hand side that says gallery. You can go and have a look through any one of your folders. Now you can then select from there exactly as you have here. Then you have effects, which you can go into, and here basically it'll show you the effects for taking videos live for your actual reel. Then you also have the draft section. If you have any reels in draft, you can go ahead, go in there, find them there. And then Facebook actually has pre-made templates which you can easily create. So basically these are all examples of these templates in use. You can go ahead and just select any one of them, and you will now be able to actually enter in your own data and use that template. One of the other things is starting a reel with music. So you can go into the music tab, which is at the top there, and actually select some music, and then go ahead and insert your media, your video, your pictures, or whatever the case may be. So you can search for music here, or you can just select from the popular music. The last thing that you can do, and this has all been uploading a reel. Now we are going to create a reel. So you can see at the top left there is a camera button. You're going to tap on that. Now you may need to give Facebook permission to use your camera as well as your microphone in order to actually create a reel. So here we are, and my camera is actually live now. So you can see that there are a few options. You can put your flash on and off. You can also see that there is an add music. There is the speed. You can change the speed of your video. You can now also add effects to your video. You can see here at the bottom, you can scroll through all of these weird and wonderful effects. And then of course there is a green screen, so you can select that, and you can select one of these backgrounds over here, or you can even select one that you have in your camera roll if you do have one. So you can go ahead and select any one of those. Right, once you are done, the only way now to create your actual reel is the capture button in the bottom of the screen. You can see it's got the little reel icon on it, and you're going to just tap on that. And as you can see, okay, I'm now recording, but that's fine. So what it's basically going to do is it's going to capture your video, and whenever you're ready, you can go ahead and tap on stop, and that will now save what you've just captured. Now, of course, just for example purposes, I have just captured a blank video. But what you can basically do now is add audio, text, effects, stickers. Over on the right hand side, you can see there's a bunch of different things that you can do. You can voice over it, you can add music, you can change the volume over there, you can add text. Here you can start typing. You can see that you can change the color over here. You can also change the font style and the alignment. You can also change the way it actually looks. And then, of course, the effects as we went through earlier on. And then there's stickers. You can go ahead, you can add stickers over here. And once you're done, if you're not happy with the entire reel, you can actually go ahead and tap on edit reel, and here you can actually go ahead and edit it like a full video editor. So you can reshoot it, you can adjust it and enhance, crop, split, cut pieces out, you can add audio here, you can add text here, do everything over here that you would do in an actual video editor. Now when you're happy with that, you're going to tap on done, and you're going to tap on next on the bottom right hand side of your screen. So now you can see you have the option to actually post your reel. You can either make it public, you can make it only that friends can see it, you can have friends except for certain friends see it, and then you can also post this to Instagram. You can add a location. You can add topics, trending topics that people are maybe talking about. You can also go ahead and boost your reel. That's almost like an advertisement. And then there are some more settings over here. You can earn money on your actual reel. So it's a monetization platform which Facebook brought in. It's called Stars. So people will support you by sending you stars while they're watching your reels, and they will purchase these stars and send it to you. You'll get paid this money. You can also invite other collaborators, and you can do a cover test. But basically, you can choose a frame from your reel, and you can make it your cover. It's almost like a thumbnail. So if you are wanting to really get your reel out there, a good cover will act as a good thumbnail, which will be very engaging and very inviting. So we've gone through all of this now, and we're ready to post. And what we're going to go ahead and do, on the bottom of the page, you can see that there's a little file icon. You can actually tap on that, and it'll save your reel to your gallery on your device before it actually posts the reel to Facebook. What you're going to do now is tap on share now. This will now become public, and now everyone can see it. You can see over here it's saying uploading reel, and it'll be available for everyone to watch. If this was helpful, drop us a like. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section below. We'd love to hear from you. See you next time.